Congratulations, all of you are all winners. And thank you also to our audience for the cooperation. Partner, may pasasalamatan ka ba?
Thank you po sa mga sponsors, sa mga nandito ngayon. Hindi magiging successful ang event na ito kung wala kayo.
Thank you, candidates. Thank you to Mr. Dexter Abogado for my hair and for Dick's creation for my barong.
Pa-pick up na naman. Pa-pick up. Ako pa na.
Okay, bago natin palabasin ang candidates, we will now have the second set of minor awards. The first minor award in the second set is Best in Casual Wear. Let's start with the male category.
Best in casual wear in male category goes to candidate number 1.
Candidate number 1 is Rochester B. Castillejos. Best in casual wear, female category. Congratulations, candidate number 4. Candidate number 4 is
Karen Wayocampo.
next minor award is Mr. and Miss Best in Summer Wear. For the male category,
Mr. Senadages Best in Summer Wear goes to candidate number 7.
candidate number 7 is Franklin M. Ichana. Miss CNNHS Best in Summer Wear. Congratulations to candidate number 10. Next minor award is Mr. and Miss Salem. To announce the winners, may I request Engineer Nerilyn Bangkile.
Good evening. Before I announce the results, I just want to refresh our criteria for judging. This Nissan competition was held at the Central Plaza Mall Atrium last February 16th. So these are the criteria for judging. Costume or props, 10%. Audience impact, 10%. Originality, 20%. Stage presence, 20%. and performance 40%. Okay. For the male category, the top three, the third place goes to candidate number 9. Second place goes to candidate number 7. And for the first place, we have candidate number 4.
Madam?